In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Outlook attachments not showing in emails. If the paperclip icon is missing or files won't preview, follow these steps to resolve both simple glitches and common display issues. Start with a quick refresh. Close Outlook completely, making sure it isn't running in the system tray, then reopen it. This forces Outlook to reconnect and re-download your email data, which often restores missing attachments. Next, verify the sender actually attached the file. Sometimes the attachment was never included or removed by the sender's system. A quick message to confirm the file exists can save unnecessary troubleshooting. Update Outlook. Go to File Account Update Options. Update now. Let the update complete and restart Outlook if prompted. Updates often fix display and preview issues, so keeping Outlook current can prevent attachment problems from recurring. Check Attachment Preview Settings. Go to File Options. Trust Center Settings. Attachment Handling. Make sure Turn off Attachment Preview is unchecked. Then click Attachment and Document Previewers and ensure necessary previewers, like PDF or Office files, are enabled. These controls determine how attachments appear and open, so adjusting them often brings files back into view. Adjust your mail layout. In the main window, go to View Settings. Other Settings. Set message order to newest on top or bottom, and avoid show each message separately. Conversation and layout options affect how attachments are grouped and displayed, so this tweak helps the paperclip icon and previews show consistently across threads. Allow a moment for Outlook to sync after each change. With these steps, refreshing, verifying attachments, updating Outlook, adjusting preview settings, and fine-tuning layout, your attachments should reappear and open normally. These actions address common causes, from syncing glitches to display options,